बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच करने जा रहे हैं और पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच जिस तरह कि आपको मॉडल पेपर दिखाया गया था फर्स्ट ईयर फेडरल बोर्ड और सेकंड ईयर फेडरल बोर्ड के लिए बहुत अहम है। इसका जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप जो 20 नंबर का है, उसमें तकरीबन जो है 60 to 70% जो ऑब्जेक्टिव MCQs आते हैं वो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के हवाले से आते हैं। लिहाजा these parts of speech are very important for first year students of federal board as well as second year students of federal board. Parts of speech में हम देखेंगे noun, pronoun, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection और verb. जी स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हम शुरू करेंगे noun. Noun means name, name of a thing, name of a person, name of place. Thing may be specific, common. Person may be specific, common. Place may be specific, common. Specific thing, specific person, specific place, that is known as proper noun. Common thing, common person, common place, that is common noun. That is common noun. Common noun means to be the name of any place, anything or any person. For example, mosque, that may be any mosque. Anything, pen, it may be any pen. Boy, it may be any boy. Proper noun, name of specific person, specific thing or specific place. For example, Bashai Mosque, a specific place. Piano, specific pencil. Ali, specific person, etc. Number third, material noun. As dear students, the word exposes, it presents the name of some material: cotton, iron, gold, silver, etc. So these are the names of material. Number 4 is abstract noun, the name of some idea, the name of some feelings, the names of some action which cannot be materialized on ST. These are abstract nouns. Number 5, collective noun, collection of things, persons, dear student. Number 2, pronoun. Pro, that is at the place of noun, name, the word which is used at the place of a noun. For example, we use he, she, etc. So first of all we have to understand, हमें understand करना होगा how many persons are there. There are 3 persons: first person, second person, third person. First person, second person, third person. First person, who is a speaker, the pronoun which is used by the speaker. Second person, who is a listener, and third person, who is absent. Persons, first, second and third. I for singular, we for plural, you for singular, and you for plural, he for singular male, she for singular female, and they for all, and it for non-living singular, and they for all. So we have he, she, it, they, you, etc. These are actually personal pronouns. Personal pronoun. And then, dear students, we are to understand possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, जिस तरह कि वर्ड possessive शो कर रहा है, दिस इज अ वर्ड फ्रॉम possession, और possession का मतलब है मलकियत, यानी ऐसा प्रोनाउन जो मलकियत ज़ाहिर करता है. आई से माइन, वी से आर्ट्स, यू से योर्स, दे से theirs, she said hers, it said its, etc.